Great to have you both here. Dan, you're sitting on set with me. I'm gonna kick this off with you. 33% growth in Azure, which is what the company had forecasted coming into this, even though street expectations had come down and were lower than that coming into the print. Meta, on the other hand, strong report, but CapEx, is that what's pushing that stock lower right now?
Yeah, so for Microsoft, I'd call these home run quarter. I mean, in terms of Azure, in terms of what we saw in the cloud, fears that you're going to see some sort of slowdown. I mean, obviously you saw the strong Google numbers last night. Hyperscalers, you're just seeing this accelerate. It's all about the AI revolution. And on that Mount Rushmore, it's not just Jensen, it's Nadella. And I think this is just a huge flex of muscles for Microsoft. When it comes to Meta, stocks had a huge run. Talk about CapEx, they're going to continue to double down there. I think that is the smart move. Look, I think 24 hours from now, this is a stock that could be up. So I think there's actually the wrong reaction here. We'd be buyers here on Meta, but especially what we see on Microsoft.
Yeah, and I guess that's sort of the point I'm going with, is that expectations were, the bar was low for Microsoft coming to this print, it would seem, and maybe for Meta a little heightened. Rohit, I want to get your thoughts on that, specifically where Meta is concerned.
Yeah, I think the expectations for Meta were high, and they kept going higher. Google reported even before that. I think the high end of guide for Q4, that sets the benchmark for what the 25 growth algorithm could look like. I think what investors were looking for slightly more than that is what I think. For them to get very excited, absolutely nothing wrong with Meta. It is the one to own on weakness, but I think it's just an expectations mismatch between how the stock had run into earnings and what they are guiding towards. So I feel we should be the one to buying Meta tomorrow if there is lingering weakness into the year end.
In the vibrant and often unpredictable whirlwind of today's stock market, one company's name consistently reverberates through the bustling halls of financial discussions: Nvidia. This tech giant has become synonymous with cutting-edge advancements in high-performance computing and graphics processing. Recently, the Nasdaq Composite has surged to unprecedented heights, a remarkable feat in part attributed to Nvidia's staggering 833% leap in stock valuation over the past year. This dramatic rise in stock value has fueled rampant speculation and widespread discourse among investors and market analysts alike, highlighting the profound impact of Nvidia's contributions. The financial community buzzes with anticipation and speculation, driven by the allure of Nvidia's pioneering efforts in AI, which promise to redefine the capabilities and boundaries of modern technology. As the industry's global juggernauts gear up for extensive capital outlays in AI and cloud technologies, the anticipation surrounding Nvidia's fiscal 2025 third-quarter results is palpable and continuously builds momentum. Investors are actively positioning themselves in curious anticipation, eager to discern whether Nvidia's stock can maintain its meteoric ascent or if the hype has overly accelerated expectations to unsustainable heights. This anticipation is not merely about numbers, but about understanding how Nvidia's strategic decisions today could define the technology landscape of tomorrow, potentially setting the stage for breakthroughs that could alter the global economic landscape. Welcome back, everyone, to Investocracy.
Dan, back to Microsoft. I mean, it's only about 1% higher. You said it was a home run. Mm-hmm. It's not at the highs for the years. What gives? Is this a signal that maybe stock move-wise it's out of gas, or are we just waiting for the guide and the color to decide how bullish investors should be?
I think it's waiting for that color, from Nadella. But I think what's really happened here is this is an Azure growth acceleration story. And I think investors were fearing that you were seeing some sort of slowdown. You look at that intelligent cloud, you look at the margins. I mean, this is a company firing on all cylinders. I believe ultimately we sit here 6-9 months from now, and this is a $4 trillion market cap. I think Apple and Nvidia get there first. But in terms of AI revolution, what we heard from Google, Microsoft, what we hear from Meta, it is still first, second inning of this AI revolution. And I think you get more and more confidence from the hyperscalers. But I think Microsoft, to me, is a table pounder here at this level.
Nvidia's forthcoming financial report marks a significant moment for AI's burgeoning landscape, serving as a critical spotlight on the heavyweights in the technology world. It not only represents a pivotal point for Nvidia, but also sends ripples through the broader industry, influencing how other tech leaders strategize their AI and technological pursuits. As investors scrutinize Nvidia's financial health, they are also evaluating the larger transformation that could reshape technology's future, influencing vast sectors from manufacturing to entertainment. It's a compelling narrative featuring formidable stalwarts such as Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta platforms, all fervently keen on persistently advancing their AI and cloud capabilities. This collective zeal for technological advancement signals a seismic shift in how these corporations view and invest in AI, demonstrating a unified vision of an AI-driven future. For instance, Microsoft, with its strategic foresight, allocated an eye-popping $20 billion toward AI-related expansion in its fiscal first quarter alone. CFO Amy Hood emphasized the company's unabated enthusiasm and strategic commitment to AI investments, underscoring the belief that AI will act as a cornerstone for future innovation and profitability. Such large-scale investments signify an unwavering confidence in the potential of AI to drive future growth and innovation, offering a glimpse into what the digital landscape may soon become. But before we go any further, if you want to keep up with NVIDIA's latest updates and keep up with the stock market's latest news, you can follow our Twitter account. We post multiple times daily about the biggest changes and catalysts in the market, so click the follow button if you don't want to miss the newest market updates. Back to the video.
I'm always concerned about Taiwan and what could happen with China. The new president-elect, has been inconsistent. He was anti-China at one point, said that Taiwan should have to pay its own. But there's an interesting split between Taiwan Semi and Nvidia. They always trade together. But maybe Taiwan Semi, they put something on. If they put a tariff on, it's bad for Nvidia. I would come back and say Nvidia is a crown jewel, and the president is not going to go against the crown jewel, and that in the end, the Taiwan Semi relationship will be preserved, and you should not sell Nvidia on any of this, because I think the president still celebrates jewels that don't take money. Remember, they're not a CHIPS Act beneficiary.
Right. Also, given Elon Musk, one of the most powerful people in government he'll be, and what he has said and how he relies so much on Nvidia.
They have sometimes they're frenemies because obviously I think that Elon would like to be independent, but he always says the same thing, which is, boy, they make good chips. So I think that Nvidia is not a loser, but a winner in this situation.
Alphabet and Amazon are mirroring these substantial financial commitments, strategically channeling considerable resources into what they anticipate as the promising future of AI. It's evident that NVIDIA's state-of-the-art graphics processing units remain at the heart of this technological evolution, powering the sophisticated AI models upon which these industry giants increasingly stake their technological advancements. NVIDIA's GPUs have become the backbone of modern AI infrastructure, enabling breakthroughs in machine learning and data processing that push the boundaries of what is possible. NVIDIA's impact extends beyond traditional realms into areas like autonomous vehicles, healthcare diagnostics, and even advanced climate modeling, showcasing its versatile influence and technological prowess. The remarkable rise in NVIDIA's prominence in the stock market is not merely a product of speculative fervor. Rather, it firmly rests upon solid, observable demand trends marked by tangible achievements and milestones. While it's often said that the stock market is designed to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient, NVIDIA's trajectory has been remarkable, causing even the most patient investors to be abuzz with eager anticipation. Driven by an unquenchable market demand for their advanced GPUs and technological solutions, NVIDIA has ascended to the status of an investor darling, particularly among those placing stakes on the unfolding AI revolution. For NVIDIA, this is a time of strategic alignment. In practical terms, major corporations like Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and Alphabet constitute significant portions of NVIDIA's client base, with Microsoft's engagement alone accounting for approximately 15% of NVIDIA's sales. These giants are not merely customers but strategic partners in a broader ecosystem that NVIDIA has deftly cultivated, forming a robust network that enhances both competitive advantage and innovation potential. These strategic partnerships and lucrative collaborations, meticulously compiled and analyzed by industry experts and analysts, form not just an impressive sales narrative but also reveal a coherent narrative puzzle, unveiling a promising horizon for NVIDIA's impending sales pursuits and market ventures. Such partnerships highlight NVIDIA's capacity to influence technological trends and market directions, effectively positioning the company as a cornerstone of technological advancement and industry leadership. But before going any further, if you made it this far into the video, thank you. These videos take a lot of effort and time to make, so if you enjoyed them, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This goes a long way in helping us grow. That said, back to the video.
All right, so overall, Jim?
Look, overall, I think you have to follow that tomorrow's the bond market's in control. We have a couple of auctions going on that are not good. So remember that there are two things you need to remember. When interest rates go up, it hurts the Procter & Gamble's. And when we have trade wars, it hurts the Procter & Gamble's. So I wouldn't buy Procter yet. What?
Nothing. I see.
What's the matter?
It's getting hit on both.
Yeah. How about him, huh? Blue Owl loves
Blue Owl loves Wells Fargo.
Regions Financial.
Yeah, and Charlie Sharp is the winner because I think the asset cap goes away, and I happen to think. And David, I like Charlie more than Jamie. And I said that because then I'm going to get the phone call from J.P. Morgan saying, "Why'd you say that?" And I just say it's gratuitous. And I haven't even praised Anna Boutine yet.
Because it's true. You do like Charlie more than Jamie.
No, it has nothing to do with it. David, it's business, not personal. I'm not like the new president.
Jim, our thanks. Viewers, thank you for the work you've done the last 24 hours.
I mean, I watched every L. I come home, my wife is watching another channel. I grabbed the clicker, man. Come on, I said, I want to see how long this guy lasts. This guy's going for the record.
As Wall Street braces itself for the impending revelation, gazing into the precipice of Nvidia's forthcoming fiscal disclosures, one aspect is incontrovertibly clear. Nvidia is strategically poised to ride the substantial waves cresting from ongoing and rapidly evolving AI advancements. The company's calculated maneuvers and relentless pursuit of innovation underscore a confident trajectory toward continued success and industry leadership. The future belongs to those who can innovate, adapt, and lead, and Nvidia is positioned to do exactly that, leveraging its technological leadership to drive progress across various sectors. For those contemplating whether to invest in this dynamic and rapidly growing company, the stakes are remarkably clear and compelling. Initiating an investment and steadfastly holding Nvidia shares could potentially culminate in gratifying and rewarding returns within 3 to 5 years. As you deliberate over this promising investment avenue and strategize your financial portfolio, the lingering and pivotal query remains: how will you interpret and engage with Nvidia's unparalleled journey amidst the continuing AI revolution? As each announcement unfurls new potentials, the choice to engage with Nvidia's movement is not only an investment decision, but a nod to the transformative power of technology in shaping future industries and innovations, serving as a beacon for progress and opportunity in a world increasingly defined by digital transformation. And finally, if you would like to know what companies like Nvidia have been up to these past few days, go ahead and click on the next video on your screen. See you there.